Why? Hmm? You scared if I'm mad to you? Think that I'm mad to you? Uy, best friend. The best friend is here. Huh? Uy, so cute, my baby. Huh? You best friend with this boy? Hmm? The best friend of my boy. And this one, sabay, jump there and higa-higa. Huh? Bakit? Okay, you can show your affection to me kung makahiga ka dyan and wiggly-wiggly. And the other one is like, nasa ko, sunod siya. Ha? Okay, good. Very good, babies. Oh, I see the big mouth. Now, bye-bye now. I'm done with taking a video of you, baby. Huh? Of you too. Ay, hindi ko pa sila binakain. Bye-bye.